Our bamboo panels are used to make all sorts of internal joinery things, from bench tops to cabinetry, shelving, wardrobes, doors, pretty much anything, furniture. They come in large format size, 2.44 metres by 1.22 metres. Come in two colours, natural and coffee, and in two types. We've got vertical bamboo panels, which are made from strips of bamboo that are laminated together, giving a bit more of a stripy look. They come in 7 different thickness options, from 7 mils right up to the 40 mil thick one, which is common for bench tops. The other type is compressed bamboo, which is made, the top and bottom layer is made from compressed bamboo at really high density, so it gives a harder, denser, heavier finish, and they're a little bit more expensive than the vertical bamboo. Check out our website. We've got lots of different use cases on ways to use, used in kitchens and joineries, lots of nice photos there. And don't forget, you can request a free sample if you want a piece at home to have a look at it as well.